I'm so tired.
This week was long.
Yes, very long.
Too much work.
Too many emails.
My head hurts.
My eyes hurt.
We need a break.
Yes, we do.
We need fresh air.
We need sunshine.
I have an idea.
What idea?
Let's go to the beach.
The beach?
Yes, this weekend.
Tomorrow is sub day.
We are free.
That sounds nice.
I miss the ocean.
Me too.
Let's go early.
How early?
6 in the morning.
That is early.
Trust me, it is worth it.
Okay, I agree.
Let's pack tonight.
What is that sound?
It is the alarm.
Already?
Yes, it is 6 o'clock.
It is still...
Just a little dark.
I want to sleep.
No, beach time.
5 more minutes.
No more minutes.
Okay, I am up.
You look sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
Wash your face.
The water is cold.
Good. Wake up.
Where is my towel?
On the chair.
Found it.
Let's get dressed. Are we ready?
Yes, I think so.
Do we have snacks?
Yes, in the bag.
Do we have water?
3 bottles.
Perfect. Let's go.
The streets are empty.
The city is quiet.
I like mornings.
Me too.
The sky is pink.
Look at that color.
So beautiful.
I feel excited.
Me too.
How far is the beach?
About 20 minutes.
I can smell the ocean.
We are close. We are here.
Wow, look at the sea.
It is so wide.
And so blue.
The air feels fresh.
I love this smell.
The sand is soft.
Take off your shoes.
Good idea.
The water looks cold.
Very cold.
Let's walk first.
The waves are calm.
Listen to the sound.
It is relaxing.
I feel peaceful.
Me too.
Let's sit here.
On this big rock,
Careful, it is wet.
I see small shells.
They are pretty.
Look at this one.
It is pink.
Nice find.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, please.
Here is the thermos.
It is still hot.
Perfect.
This feels amazing.
Sun on my face.
Wind in my hair.
No stress here.
No emails.
No phone calls.
Just us. Oh no,
What happened?
my phone is gone.
What? Really?
It was in my pocket,
Check your bag.
not in my bag.
Stay calm.
Maybe in the car.
I hope so.
Let's check.
Wait, look there.
Near the towel?
Oh, yes.
I see it.
Thank goodness.
Be more careful.
Yes, you are right. Let's sit quietly.
And watch the waves.
They move slowly.
Back and forth.
Like breathing.
Deep and calm.
I feel happy.
I feel free.
We needed this.
Yes, we did.
Life is busy.
Too busy sometimes.
We forget simple things.
Like this moment.
Like fresh air.
Like sunshine.
We should come often.
Yes, once a month.
Deal.
Look at the horizon.
The sun is rising.
It looks golden.
So bright.
So peaceful.
I feel grateful.
Me too.
Are you still tired?
No, not at all.
I feel energetic.
I feel alive.
Was it worth waking up?
Yes, totally worth it.
This is a good start.
Start to what?
A better routine.
A healthier life.
More nature.
Less stress.
More smiles.
Less complaints.
I like that plan.
Me too.
Let's enjoy this moment.
Yes, happy morning.